Sino ba si Sir Nani before maging CEO ng Genesis E-Commerce Solution?
Dati ako network marketer. So I've been in network marketing for 18 years. And doon ako naging successful. Pero in terms of my academic background, actually, sinasabi ko, pag anong course ang tinapos ko, sagot ko lang BSHS. 4 years din. Ano yung BSHS na yun? Bachelor of Science in High School. Ngayon, 6 years na eh. So, high school graduate ako, never ako nakapag-college. And because of poverty. Pero before, well-off kami. My mom is a banker. And nag-aaral din naman ako sa prominent school. Nung bata ako, never ako nakaranas ng public school. Pero nung time na bigla kami bumagsak, kasi nag-retire yung mother ko, nagnegosyo, doon ko naranasan na papunta sa public. And in fairness, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa public school. So it doesn't, hindi naman importante kung sa private o public ka. So yung natutunan ko, it's up to the student. Yun nga lang, unfortunately, hindi ako nakapag-college. So inggit na inggit ako sa mga nag-schooling before. That's why dinala ako ng mother ko sa selling. And natuwa rin naman ako, and I'm grateful right now, kasi doon ako sa network marketing, doon ako na-expose in selling and about business. So mga librong binabasa ko. So ako yung tatanungin, dati akong ahente, dati akong independent distributor ng MLM company, and may mga natayo naman kaming negosyo. For 18 years, sobrang laki na itulong sa akin as a network marketer.
Pero ang nakita ko sa'yo, matagal kang nag-networking.
Yeah, 18 years.
18 years. And ano yung naitulong sa'yo ng networking for 18 years?
Una kasi ako naka-attend ng seminar, 15 years old ako. So, dinala ako ng mother ko, tapos may nag-talk. And of course, sa MLM, hindi naman kagad yan presentation kagad ng product, hindi kagad yan presentation ng marketing plan or something kung paano kumita. So, it start with mindset. Na ang majority na pinag-uusapan doon is, alam mo yung ASBI by Robert Kiyosaki, the cash flow quadrant. Employee, self-employed, business and investment. So, doon na-open yung mind ko na possible pala na magkaroon ka ng passive income at magkaroon ka ng sariling freedom sa financial freedom and time freedom kapag nasa tamang opportunity and nasa tamang quadrants ka.
Yes.
Which is, from employment, self-employed, you need to jump to business and investment. So, for me, employment and self-employed, na natutunan ko sa network marketing, it's just a stepping stone. Kung yan yung isang step lang yan, para ikaw ay maranasan mo man lang paano maging empleyado in one time. Pero if you really want to be successful, in every aspect naman pwede tayo maging successful. Much better kapag nagkaroon ka ng opportunity that can produce you a limitless income. So one thing I've learned in network marketing is the word leverage. So leverage. So I have, nakabasa ako ng book, I have that book, of Rain A. Panaligan. Rain is R-A-N-E. I think nasa National Bookstore siya. Na it all talks about leverage. So paano ba yung mayaman yung mga tao na parang how can they handle? Bakit sila si Henry nagtayo ng SM? Na he has a lot of employees. So dun in-explain talaga na you can leverage your time, asset, effort, na instead of doing everything, pwede palang mag-create tayo ng organization para hindi naman tayo gremlin na kakalat yung mga, kaya nating ikalat yung mga sarili natin. Everyone has 24 hours every day. So God created everyone na fair because of the time. Yung lubog ng araw mo, Miss Joyce, lubog din ng araw ko pag nasa Pilipinas tayo. Parehas lang yan. Pero how can we multiply everything is through the word leverage and yung art ng leveraging. So yan yung kung meron man akong take away sa network marketing, is natuto ako mag-leverage.
Yes.